Hey everybody, I just got in my 4-pack of LED 220 watt, 360 degree lights. So again, it comes in 4 packs. You also get the female version of the socket in case you need to do wiring. In my case, I do not. I already have my old light in there. I'm keeping it in there because I want to show you the difference and the brightness, the daytime light with the LEDs that this makes. It came well packaged, no damage done. Came with this nice foam. This is a perfect light. I'm looking to add more light in my garage and in my basement here where it's really dark. I have no actual sunlight coming in here, so I need it as bright as I can for when I'm down here and working. So let's go ahead and install this. Take the old one out. Very easy to install, and hurts my eyes looking at it. And look at the difference in brightness. You can adjust all these at different angles to point the light where you want it, 360 degrees. So looking at this light, here's one of the ones that I'm going to install. Has a total of 7 lit panels with LEDs. Easy maneuverability to point this in any direction that you need it. This is well made, high grade materials, very strong and sturdy by the feel of it. And if you're looking to add that extra light, that light boost to any space that you need it, I highly recommend this product. Great value for the amount of 4 that you get. Thank you for watching.